For my next video, I'd like to do one on emergency alerts, and I'm using the Samsung S25 Ultra, One UI 8.5 Beta 3. This will work on a lot of the Samsung editions, as long as the tablets. So the S23, the S22, the S24, it'll work on a lot of these. Might be different wording because of the newer One UI 8.5, but it's the same principle and idea on all the previous phones. So let's dig right in, as I'd like to say. So go into Settings, scroll down to Safety and Emergency, and then we want Wireless Emergency Alerts. And it's up to you. It's mainly, this is a personal preference thing. You can receive alerts or not. And what these are, they're emergency alerts, nationwide kind of thing. So let's just go from the top to bottom and I'll explain. So allow alerts, receive alerts, emergency alert notifications, national warning messages can't be turned off. So that's like World War III, something probably pretty bad. Extreme threats to life and property. Severe threats to life and property. Amber alerts, child abduction emergency bulletins. Never understood Amber alerts. I know it's a missing kid, but why not a missing 80-year-old or a missing only child or something like that? But whatever, that's a different video. Public safety messages, recommended actions that can save lives or property, state and local tests, receive test messages from state and local authorities, and then alert history. The last one I ever had was the National Weather Service. It was a tornado warning. There we go. You can tap on it and see. So they're pretty rare, and it's not a good thing if they do go off. But you can then also alert preferences, alert every 2 minutes, always alert at full volume. I have that on, and speak alert messages. I just turned that on. So use text to speak wireless emergency alert messages. So it sounds a weird alarm. You already know that something isn't quite normal when one does go off, but it's neat because you have the option to completely turn all that off if you don't want it, which, again, I recommend a lot of it to be on, the important things. So that is my video on wireless emergency alerts. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.